To set the quick action button to open workouts on your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is fairly simple. You're going to start by just navigating to the settings app on your watch itself, and then you're going to scroll down and select the option Buttons and Gestures. From here, you're going to see the section Quick button, and then you're going to look for the option Action under this section, and you're going to tap on it. From here, you then want to go ahead and look for Samsung Health, and then you're going to select it. Now, before you even go a step further, you do need to tap on the settings icon next to Samsung Health and ensure it's set to My Exercises. When you do that, you can now go ahead and exit out of this menu. Now, whenever you press on the quick action button, it should open up your exercises on a Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. So from here, you can go ahead and choose between any of the exercises that are available, or you can choose to add your own. It's completely up to you. And you can go ahead and start that exercise. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.